Okay, we are looking at fractions today and being asked if they are proportional, okay? Basically, they're asking, are these fractions the same fraction when they're all the way simplified? Or if I had something that's 3 by 5, will that be the same shape, just bigger when it's 15 by 25? Basically just asking, are these related, okay? So there's a pretty easy way to do this. All we have to do is we go from the denominator of one fraction, and we multiply it by the numerator of the other fraction. So 5 times 15 gives me 75, okay? And then we're going to do the same thing the other way. So we're going to do 25 times 3, which gives me 75. Now, if these two numbers are the same, then yes, it is proportional. So these two fractions are proportional. Okay, if you're like, oh, that's a cool trick, but why does that work? Did she just make that up? I did not. I'm not going to take the time to explain it now, but I will link a video in the corner explaining why this works, okay? All right, let's check our second one. Are 1/3 and 3/10 proportional? So let's go 3 times 3, which gives me 9. You can probably already tell, right? 10 times 1 gives me 10. 10 and 9 are not the same number, so no, these two numbers are not proportional. Okay, hopefully that made sense. Bye.